Hello people, today I am doing a mystery box. This is actually from P.Louise, and yeah, I bought this off a TikTok shop, and if you would like to buy yourself one, if you head to my TikTok Travel with Taz, you can go onto my profile and go into my showcase and the products in the showcase, and you might be lucky and you might get vouchers as well. So I paid £25 for the box, so if you get vouchers sometimes as well, so you pay less. I believe the box is normally about 40 odd quid, so you get at least £60 worth of products in this box. So should we take a look? Right, this is called Fulfilling Dreams. This is the mystery box, and yeah, so it comes in a mirrored box, and it doesn't come with batteries, but you've got I think three LR44 batteries, I think it is, you need. So, and it lights up, so it's like a little dressing table makeup mirror. So yeah, as you can see, those are products. And shall we see what we got in there? Right, so we got Plump Me Pretty in Fluffy Pancakes, and this is a plumping moisturizer which instantly nourishes and boosts the skin's hydration, soothes and repairs for the youthful looking complexion, and suitable for all types of skin. So yeah, that's the Fluffy Pancakes there, Plump Me Pretty. And then we got Cloud9 Gold Gleam Strobe Cream, and apparently immediate fills in and blurs lines and wrinkles, smooths skin and even out texture. So yeah, that's one. And then we got the Rain on Me water spray in Fluffy Pancakes as well, and this strengthens the skin barrier, lightweight and refreshing formula, soothes and moisturizes, and suitable for all skin types as well. And then we've got the liquid brush in Ballet Slipper, and this smooth liquid blush formulated to add an intense rosy radiant hue to the cheeks, featuring a built-in sponge tip applicator suitable for both personal and professional use. The cushioned tip helps to evenly dispense the perfect amount of product for flirty flush of colour. So yeah, that's that. Well, this one, of course, is £25 sold separately. The Rain on Me water spray is £18 separately. Cloud9 strobe cream is £22 separately, and the Plump Me Pretty is £15 separately. So yeah, I altogether that works out about £80. So yeah, I think that's a good deal. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I know would you pay that much for skincare? And all, like I said, I like the box. box. I like the box. I do like the box because as well it's like I said, light up as well. So, but yeah. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.